Hey everyone, Nick Griot, Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about foaming polygloss, one of 3 liquids in the Boss foaming system. Foaming polygloss is the fastest and easiest way to protect your vehicle's finish while adding an immediate enhancement to its shine. Simply spray it on and allow the foaming action to create a chemical bond which immediately protects and enhances your paint. It's really that easy. This formula uses advanced polymers to enhance gloss, water repellency, and protection from the elements. It's also a great way to protect components that usually don't get waxed, such as windows, wheels, mirrors, and grills. Foaming polygloss can be used as a base coat if you're short on time. However, it's best used when extending the life of any wax or sealant that's already on your paint. Applying foaming polygloss twice a month is a great way to ensure optimal surface gloss and hydrophobic polymer protection. However, it can be used weekly, and that will only enhance those properties without running the risk of hazing or buildup, which may negatively impact your paint's finish. To apply foaming polygloss, first be sure that your car is perfectly clean. Then simply foam the entirety of your car and allow foaming polygloss to set up for 2 to 3 minutes to create proper surface adhesion. Once you've allowed the product to set up, simply rinse your car and you'll immediately notice the impact of foaming polygloss in the form of intense water beading and water repellency, which should leave very little water on the surface of your paint for you to dry. Then just hit it with a PFM drying towel and you're good to go. Foaming polygloss works best when used with the Boss Foam Cannon. However, it can also be used with our pump-up foamer, our air foamer sudsing gun, or our foaming sprayer. Foaming polygloss is an incredibly easy way to add protection to your paint finish and also add some vibrancy and pop. Thank you for watching. For more information on foaming polygloss, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.